Hey learners, welcome to the Nav Nerds. In today's video, we are going to build a feature that you will find in many professional Power BI dashboards is a custom filter panel that users can show or hide with a single click. Instead of keeping all the slicers visible and taking up valuable reports space, we will create a clean interactive filter panel using buttons, shapes, groups, and the bookmarks. So let's get started. The first thing we need is to add a button that will open up the filter panel. So in the insert tab, I'm choosing a blank button. Now let's customize it. I will rename it as filter pan. That will be the button users click whenever they want to open the filters. Now let's create the filter panel itself. I will insert a rectangular shape which will act as the background of the panel. Inside this panel, I will add just two slicers in it. The first slicer will use year and the quarter. And in the second slicer, I will use the custom posting group. Now that's our panel is ready. Let's organize it. By selecting all these, I will make a group of it. And rename it as the panel. Now it's time to create our first bookmark. Next, I will select the filter pan button and open the format pan. In the action, I will turn this boolean on, and for the type, choose bookmark and then show panel. Our button is now connected to this bookmark. Now let's test this. At first, you might notice that it doesn't work correctly because creating a bookmark is only the first step. The bookmark is also needs to be updated with the correct visibility state. And now I have to uncheck this data and then update this. And will this work now? No. First, I have to make sure that filter pan is visible, and then in the bookmark, I will update this. This will tells the Power BI exactly what should be displayed when the bookmark is activated. Now let's test it again. It works. Now the next task will be is to add the hide button. When user click on it, the panel should be disappear. That's our main task. Now let's create another bookmark. Adding the bookmark here as hide panel. Then I will do the same for this button, turning this boolean on and set it as bookmark. And this is hide panel. Now what I have to do is to add this bookmark in the group which I have created. And at last I have to do is hide this panel and then update this. Now let's test it all. Yeah, everything is working properly. And this is very common design pattern in the Power BI dashboard. Instead of displaying slicers permanently, it will help to reduce the report space, and developers can hide them inside a button. User only open the panel when they need to apply filters and make this dashboard cleaner and easier to use. So that's how you can create a show and hide filter panel in the Power BI using the bookmarks, groups, and the buttons. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.